Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're uncovering 5 hidden expenses of EV ownership that you might not be aware of. If you think you know all there is about the cost of owning a Tesla, think again. Some of these expenses might just surprise you. Stick around to the end to find out which ones might impact your wallet the most. Let's dive in. Depreciation is a hidden expense that has recently been sneaking up on Tesla owners. While Teslas are known for their impressive performance and cutting-edge technology, they are not immune to the reality of depreciation. In fact, the resale value of a Tesla can be surprisingly volatile. Let's break it down. Teslas used to hold their value better than many other cars due to their strong brand appeal and advanced features. However, the depreciation curve is still very much in play. One of the major factors of Tesla's resale value is the company itself. Tesla is notorious for its aggressive price cuts and frequent updates. Each year, new models and software enhancements are introduced, making older models seem outdated by comparison. Couple that with the constant price cuts and incentives out there, and the resale value takes a hit. Buyers are often reluctant to pay a premium for a used Tesla when they can get a newer model with better features or wait for a potential price drop. For instance, a Tesla that costs $60,000 today might be worth less than half that amount in just 3 to 5 years. This is partly because Tesla slashes prices to remain competitive and make their cars more accessible. This is especially true if you purchased a Tesla about 2 years ago in 2022. You're now looking at a car that's worth less than half of what you originally paid for. While this strategy helps bring in new buyers, it can significantly impact the resale value of existing models. Additionally, market demand for electric vehicles is still shifting, and as more competitors enter the scene with new technologies and features, older Teslas can quickly lose their edge. So while you might enjoy the latest advancements and enjoy a great driving experience, you need to factor in that your Tesla could depreciate quicker than expected. It's a crucial aspect to consider when calculating the true cost of owning a Tesla, especially if you plan to sell or trade your car within a few years. One hidden expense that often surprises Tesla owners is the cost of the initial registration and the renewal fees each year. Unlike gas-powered cars, EVs are subject to higher registration fees in many states. But why? Well, it comes down to road maintenance, or at least that's the reason for such fees. When you fill up your gas car, a portion of what you pay goes towards a gas tax, which helps fund road repairs. Since EVs do not pay gas taxes, states have introduced EV-specific fees to make up for the lost revenue. These fees vary widely by state, ranging from around $50 to over $200 annually. In some places, the EV fees can be equivalent to what you pay for gas taxes if you drove 30 to 40,000 miles per year. And here's the kicker. These fees are expected to rise in the future. Some states are already planning to hike EV registration costs to over $300 per year, which adds a significant expense to owning an electric vehicle. Now you might be thinking, why should I pay more for driving an eco-friendly vehicle? And that's a valid point. While EVs help reduce carbon emissions, these fees are a way for states to ensure that EV owners still contribute to road upkeep. Plus, depending on where you live, you might also have to pay for things like a clean air decal or other administrative fees. So when you're calculating the total cost of owning a Tesla, don't forget to factor in the registration and renewal fees each year. They may not be as obvious as your charging costs, but they can definitely add up over time, impacting your budget more than you might expect. Hey guys, if you haven't heard already, Tesla's referral program is back, and it's more exciting than ever. Right now, you can score $1,000 off any Tesla by using my referral link in the description below. And it gets even better. Combine this with the current 1.99% APR financing deal for the Model Y and the Model 3, and you've got yourself an incredible offer that's hard to beat. By using my referral link, you'll not only get these fantastic discounts, but also support this channel. It's a win-win, and you get a great deal on your new Tesla, and I get to keep bringing you awesome content. So don't miss out, click my link in the description to take advantage of these exclusive benefits while they last. And here's a little something extra. Once I hit my limit of 10 referrals, I'll feature a random viewer's referral link in each of my upcoming videos. To enter, simply like this video, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. When you own a Tesla, the base price of the car is just the beginning. Once you dive into the world of customization and protection, the costs can add up faster than you might expect. Let's break down some of the hidden expenses you'll encounter. First up, consider the optional yet tempting paint protection film and ceramic coating. Professional installations of PPF and ceramic coating can run you several $1,000s, but there's a more budget-friendly alternative. I tackled this myself with a DIY PPF kit from Amazon, which not only cut costs significantly, but also provided a straightforward process. For those interested, I've linked the PPF kit I used in the description below. Ceramic coating is another popular upgrade. It adds a hydrophobic layer to your car's paint, protecting it from things like bird droppings and tree sap. While it does not shield against chips and scratches like PPF, it does make cleaning much easier. Professional installations can be pricey, upwards of $1,000 to $2,000, but a DIY kit can do it for under $100. Check out my step-by-step video on applying a ceramic coating linked below. Now moving on to practical accessories that I find essential. You might find that your Tesla, despite its advanced tech, comes surprisingly bare bones. Essential items include all-weather floor mats, which are a must for keeping your interior pristine. I made a video showcasing my favorite floor mats for Teslas and why I think that the 3D Max Spider floor mats are the best. In summary, they protect very well, are very easy to clean, and are very lightweight and durable. My in-depth video is linked below, and you can save $10 by using my code TESLAMAT10 at checkout. Now, mud flaps are another essential accessory that protect your paint from debris. And also, organization is key, especially in Tesla's minimalistic interior. Cargo organizers and cup holder inserts are invaluable for keeping your belongings neatly organized and easily accessible. With limited storage compartments, these accessories help maintain order and convenience. And here's a pro tip if you're waiting on your Tesla to be delivered. Prepare for your delivery day by having all of these accessories ready to go. Trust me, it makes a world of a difference. To help you navigate the vast world of Tesla accessories, I've created in-depth videos highlighting the must-have accessories for both the Tesla Model Y and the Tesla Model 3. You can find these videos linked in the description below. And for those seeking hand-picked accessory recommendations, I've curated a custom list of my favorites, which you'll also find in the description below. Now let's dive into a hidden expense that often takes Tesla owners by surprise, and it's tires. It might not be the first thing on your mind when considering the cost of ownership, but it's definitely worth noting. Teslas are heavier than traditional gas-powered cars, primarily due to their hefty battery packs. This added weight, combined with the instant torque that Teslas deliver, puts extra strain on your tires. And as a result, while you might expect to get 35,000 to 50,000 miles out of a set of tires on a typical vehicle, many Teslas require new tires much sooner if you're constantly mashing the accelerator pedal, often around the 20,000 to 30,000 mile mark. But it's not just about how frequently you'll need replacements, it's also about the cost. EV tires tend to be pricier than those for conventional cars. You're looking anywhere from $200 to $450 per tire, depending on the brand and model. And if you love the quick acceleration of a Tesla, your tires might wear out even faster. Now don't let this discourage you. Many Tesla owners find ways to stretch tire life. If you're not constantly flooring it, your tires will definitely last longer. To maximize their lifespan, regular maintenance is key. This means keeping up with tire rotations and alignments to ensure even wear along your tires. Also, maintaining the correct tire pressure is crucial. Both underinflation and overinflation can lead to quicker wear. This is the easiest thing you can do to ensure tire longevity. So while tires might not be the flashiest topic, they're an important part of the Tesla ownership experience. It's a good idea to budget for this ongoing cost and keep an eye on your tire health to ensure a smooth and safe ride. Now let's talk about the hidden expense of charging, specifically the cost of installing a home charging station. While charging your Tesla can save you money in the long run, the initial setup can be pricey. If you choose to install a home charger, the cost can range anywhere from $300 to over $1,500. Now this price depends on the complexity of the installation and any necessary electrical upgrades. Now I recommend consulting with multiple certified electricians to get multiple quotes and see which one is the best for you. Now there are three main home charging options to consider. The first is a Tesla mobile connector, and this is the simplest option. It uses a standard 110 volt outlet. However, the charging speeds are slow, offering only about 3 miles of range per hour. It's fine if you have time, but not ideal for regular use. The next option is a Tesla wall connector. This is a more permanent and faster option, and this charger is hardwired to your electrical panel and can provide up to 44 miles of range per hour. Whilst a little more expensive up front, it's the most efficient choice for daily charging. Now the third option is a NEMA 1450 plug. This middle ground option uses a 240 volt outlet, providing around 30 miles of range per hour. It's faster than the mobile connector, but also more flexible and less expensive than the wall connector. Now, if you skip the home charging option entirely, you will need to cover the cost as superchargers, which can add up over time. All of these expenses are essential to factor in when budgeting for your Tesla, as they can significantly impact the overall cost of ownership. If you found this deep dive into Tesla's hidden costs useful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'd love to hear about your experiences and thoughts on electric vehicles, so drop a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.